I want to briefly talk about the science of breathing, the science of breathwork. So there's three major dimensions: that of the biomechanics, the movement, the muscles; the biochemistry, the exchange of gases, the chemical interactions; and then into the biopsychology, how it regulates our nervous system, our emotions. So first foremost, it is a physical thing. We are expanding the rib cage and allowing the diaphragm and the correct muscles to move in a 360 expansion. Sometimes we can diagnose breathing issues with a biomechanical, with just the rib cage excursion and lack of muscle involvement or the wrong muscles. We need the right muscles to be working because then that takes off the strain of our neck, relieving headaches, relieving low back pain. Structural integrity in our biomechanics allows us to fight and combat all the other illness and ailments that we may encounter. It helps us better protect from disease and a lot of things, a host of other issues. Then we're moving into the biochemistry. Two important gases. We want to make sure the pH of our blood is balanced. How do we do that? Soft, calm breathing that allows the right amount of CO2 to then use this CO2, although it is demonized and misunderstood, it's vital. Use the CO2 to carry the oxygen throughout our body. Cellular restoration, better restoration. So we need both. We need the balance of both to regulate ourselves. Then moving into the biopsychology. Simply put, the mind is the kite and the breath is the string. This is how we get ourselves back in the driver's seat, through regulation of the breath. We want to use these three dimensions to understand the importance of breathing, the science of breathing and breath work, and why we can use this to better our life, regulate our emotions, our nervous system, every time we interact and communicate with somebody, everything we think about ourselves and what we do in the world. Breath is the answer. So stay tuned for more science of the breath, science of breath work, and all things holistic health and wellness. David Ravelis of Origins Unity, and I will see you again soon.